What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to have a quick tutorial on how to password protect your websites and pages on GoHighLevel. If you sign up for GoHighLevel using our affiliate link below, you'll unlock an exclusive extended 30-day free trial that's double the usual 14 days. Plus, we're throwing in over $2,000 worth of bonuses, including this landing page template. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is to generate a JavaScript code or to get a JavaScript code to password protect your Go High Level website. So in this case, we can go to ChatGPT to help us generate a JavaScript code to password protect our Go High Level website, especially if we're not tech savvy and we're not an expert when it comes to generating JavaScript codes. So here I asked ChatGPT to generate me a JavaScript code to protect my Go High Level website. It could be a funnel, it could be a website. As long as it's a page, you can definitely use this code. So I just click copy and we will paste it on the website editor on our Go High Level sub account. So after copying the code, let's go to our sub account. In this case, I'm choosing this sub account and we'll go to sites, and I'm planning to apply the password protect on one of our websites, and let's click this one and let's edit the home page. So click edit. So here's what we're going to do. So click the plus sign, let's add an element. So start with sections. I'll be adding a full width, then add a row, then add element, and we are going to add this, a custom code section or element. And this will appear here, custom HTML or JavaScript. And let's just go to this section right here, open code editor, and paste the code that we copied from ChatGPT. And then look for this section right here. It says set your password here. So you're going to edit this highlighted part. So in this case, I would set my password like this for tutorial purposes. So this is going to be our password for the website. So click save and click save on the editor. And let's now preview the website that we just applied the password protection to. So click preview, and there we go. So this prompt would appear here. You would have to enter the password that you created to access the content. So we will enter the password that we created, and there you have it. And as you can see, the section that we put here is hidden, so you don't have to worry about it. And now you can view the content of your website. But of course, there is always an option to customize your generated prompt from ChatGPT to create more advanced or a better JavaScript code like this one. In this case, it hides the content. It also hides the password that you type. Let's see. Like the first password protection prompt that we created, it's also hidden here on top of the web page. And that is it for this quick tutorial. We just learned how to password protect our pages or websites on Go High Level. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And don't forget, if you're ready to try out Go High Level, use our affiliate link in the description to unlock an extended 30-day trial, over $2,000 worth of bonuses, and a free landing page template. See you in the next videos.